What is the difference between Clearview's NextG and compact towing mirrors? The NextG towing mirrors are for those of you who want the ultimate in towing visibility. You get flat 1-to-1 glass on the top, perfect for when you're backing your van into a tight spot and want a true view of what's behind you. Down the bottom, you've got a convex mirror that gives you a wider view and helps cut down your blind spots. The compact mirrors take some benefits of the NextGs and roll them into a more compact package. It's fully convex, so you get great visibility with a nice wide field of view. They also keep that clean, factory look thanks to the single mirror design, so they don't stand out too much when you're not towing. Both the NextGs and the compacts extend up to 180mm to give you a clear line of sight down the side of your four-wheel drive or trailer, and retain most of your factory features like blind spot monitoring, power fold, and heating. They're built and tested in Australia to withstand the rigours of the Australian outback. Check them out at clearviewaccessories.com.au.